A system call is kind of like a function that the operating system itself exposes. Now, this is to expose functionality that ought to be protected in some way, where a program shouldn't be able to just do it. It should need to ask the operating system. So there's a mechanism that I'll explain in a more in-depth video about how to actually achieve this by switching modes at the level of the CPU while you enter into the execution of a system call. But at a higher level, what it is something like a function where in invoking it, you end up executing operating system code. So the operating system has a chance to check if you've got permission to do it and possibly do it for you. So let's say you're trying to read from a file on disk. A user program shouldn't be able to do this just by itself. Even if you're writing in assembly or something, you shouldn't be able to just read directly from disk. We don't want people to have permission to do that. So it should be an explicit ask from the operating system. So you would use this read system call. And what that ultimately means is having this particular number expressed to the operating system via the CPU switching modes. And so your process will be paused. The operating system will figure out, can you read the file? Maybe some other process will be run in the meantime. And then if you can read the file at the end, you'll be scheduled back on and you'll have the results of your read. So kind of like a function, feels a lot like a function when you're utilizing it, except that it involves a switch into the operating system and a kind of permission check.